going on the air from Florida with breaking news.
This is going to be jarring, shocking, and probably painful to see.
It is a devastating Category 4 storm.
To repeat the question a little bit, when it comes to the homeowners and their challenges, it's the who pays who, and that's a great question.
And that can go a couple different ways. Typically, our team will come out and do an assessment with you. After the damage, you call us up and we'll come out, and then from there I can advise you. Now, I'm going to do a free inspection for you, or I'm going to look at the damages and then be able to advise you what to do at that point. If it's calling Harvey, if it's calling Ken, if I have to call a tarping company or my company to come and do tarping, it depends on where you're at. Now, typically how it gets paid, if we're doing all the work, it gets paid through the insurance company. We don't charge you anything for that portion. We're trying to get you back to whole by getting the work done through your insurance that you have on your property. Our company is one of those companies that we guarantee to do the work for what the insurance company pays. The only out-of-pocket money ever to our clients is your deductible. If you want any upgrades, or if there's something that the insurance company didn't pay for, then we have to have a discussion. The big thing is the team again. I try to get Harvey involved because Harvey can explain what portion of his team will take on paying for certain things, because it's a little bit of a complex question or answer, I should say, because my team's going to come and do what I just told you. We guarantee to do the work for what the insurance company paid. But if the insurance company gives kickback, that's immediately when I give it to Harvey, and then Harvey's team takes it from there.